एसी जनरेटर आपने पढ़ लिया, लेकिन कुछ कंडीशंस, कुछ ऐसी जगह होती है, कुछ ऐसे सर्किट्स होते हैं जहां हमें एसी नहीं चाहिए, हमें वहां डीसी चाहिए। तो उसी जनरेटर में थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन करके एसी जनरेटर से डीसी जनरेटर बना लिया जाता है। थोड़ा सा एक मॉडिफिकेशन है, स्लिप रिंग्स हटाकर लगा दिए जाते हैं स्प्लिट्स स्प्लिट रिंग्स। And the rest of the structure is same. North south pole of a strong magnet, and there is a coil. Now there are two rings. Actually it is one ring with a cut. S1, S2. The same two brushes, B1, B2, and the external circuit load. Correct. The working is same. This is the axis of coil, and the coil is rotating about this axis. The working is same as AC generator. Here the current, it is moving in one direction. The current is from B to A and current is from D to C. Rotating. The current direction of current is B to A, here D to C. So what will be the direction in external circuit? External circuit, it will be from B1. This is the direction of current. This is the direction of current. So in external circuit, the current is flowing from B1 to load and then B2. Right? This is the direction of current through the load. After half cycle, after half turn, these split rings get changed. What is this split ring? See here, this is a ring. It is a complete ring. If I use these two rings, this will be called slip rings, AC generator, these two rings. But what is split rings? What is a split ring? Now you make a cut. You make a cut in this ring here, like this. It has been cut. One cut here and the other cut in exactly opposite position. There are two cuts. Now it becomes a split ring. This is the split ring. Is it visible to you or not? This is a cut, and one ring is split into two parts. One ring is split into two parts. This is split ring. Right? Now with the coil, this split ring keeps on moving just like this. With the coil, these split rings keeps on moving. Correct? Brush P1. This is brush B2. Now see here, the brush B1 is in contact with brush B2 is in contact with C2, right? As it rotates, the position of C1 and C2 changes, but the brush remain their position. So now C2 is in contact with B1 and C1 is in contact with B2. As it rotates, the contact of brushes B1 and B2 keep on changing with rotation. Okay, this arrangement is called commutator. It commutate. Thank you. The current load is from B1 to load and then B2. Okay. After half turn, the position of coil is reversed. After half turn, the position of coil is reversed like this. North pole, south pole. After half turn. After half turn, the sides of coil, the face, FACE, face of coil is reversed. The position of S1 and S2 is reversed. Here it is S1 and the opposite side it is S2. The brushes remain in its position. This is brush B2. This one is brush B1. Connected to external load. Connected to external load. The position of arms has been changed. Right? Now what is the direction of induced current? What is the direction of induced current? The same. This is the axis of rotation and the coil is rotating with constant angular speed omega. Omega भी यहाँ लिख दीजिए. So what is now the direction of current through load? From B1 to load and then to B2. The current remain in same direction, because if the direction of current changes in the coil, you have changed the connection to the outer circuit, to the external circuit. In AC generator, the connection to the external circuit will remain same. Here you have reversed. जो पहले S1 से कांटेक्ट में था B1, अब B1 is in contact with S2. तो आपने यही करंट की डायरेक्शन बदली, तो आपने यहां से एक्सटर्नल सर्किट के कनेक्शन रिवर्स कर दिए. करंट इज रिवर्स्ड, एक्सटर्नल सर्किट, द कनेक्शन टू द एक्सटर्नल सर्किट इज आल्सो रिवर्स्ड. Therefore, the current through the external load remains in the same direction. But this current is not constant. Still, this current is not constant. What will be the graph now? What will be the graph now? During one complete cycle, you always get positive halves. You get positive halves. How does the flux vary? The variation of flux remains same. The variation of flux remains same. It does not change, because you have changed only the connection to external circuit. There is no other change in the structure of generator. So the flux keep on fluctuating between BA and minus BA. How? The same. Here the flux reduces to 0, then become maximum in opposite direction, then reduces to 0, and then become maximum in the same direction. This is the flux. In this graph, the peak should be exactly at t/4, t/2 and t. आगे पीछे पीक नहीं होने चाहिए. So what is the induced EMF? Induced EMF increases from 0 to a certain maximum value. How much? E naught. Induced EMF increases from 0 to certain maximum value E naught, then reduces to 0. Again, the EMF increases in the same direction. Increases and then decreases. It means you have transformed negative half into positive half with the help of commutator, with the help of split rings. You have transformed the negative half into positive half with the use of commutator. This is 1 mark question. What is the work done of commutator? Commutator. It reverses the direction. It reverses the polarity to external circuit for transferring negative half of AC to positive half. Is it clear? Mathematics is same. The induced EMF is given by the same value. E equals E naught sin omega t. बस सिंपली कम्यूटेट कर दिया तो नेगेटिव में आएगा. यहाँ पर नेगेटिव वाला जो आंसर है वो भी पॉजिटिव बनेगा. एंड फेस ये क्या हो गया? ये आपका रेड वाला ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. किसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स फाई बी. एंड दिस ग्रीन ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ विद टाइम. बाकी यहाँ जो पोजीशन आपने बनाई थी कॉइल्स की, वो पोजीशन बिल्कुल सेम रहेगी, एग्जैक्टली सेम. क्लियर है सबको?